Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English teacher Miss Nabila, and today I am going to explain you a new unit and its name is Baby on Board. So open your books page number 35. First of all, I want to explain the meanings of some new words to you. The first word is famous. It's mean well known, voyage, a journey by water, investigate, to inquire, deck, the upper floor of a ship, sack, a large bag used for storing and carrying goods, wreckage, the remains of something that has been badly damaged. Baby on board. Titanic was a British passenger liner operated by the White Star Line that sank in the North Atlantic Ocean in the early morning hours of 15 April 1912 after striking an iceberg. First of all, I want to tell you something about the Titanic. On April 15, 1912, the world's largest and most luxurious ocean liner, the unsinkable Titanic, struck an iceberg. Melvina Dean was born on 2nd February 1912. She was 2 months old when she became famous as the youngest passenger on the Titanic. The Deans also had a little boy, Bertram, who was 2 years old. Over 100 years ago, Melvina Dean was born on 2nd February 1912. She became famous when she was 2 months old because she was the youngest passenger on the Titanic. Her parents were going to America. They were third class passengers on the Titanic. Third class passengers were the poorest passengers, and they were not treated as well as the rich first class passengers. Her father's name was Bertram Frank Dean, and mother was Georgette Eva Like Dean. And they had also a little boy, Bertram Weir Dean, who was 2 years old. On its first voyage, the Titanic hit an iceberg and sank on 14th April 1912. On its first journey, the Titanic hit an iceberg and sank on 14 April 1912. That night, the Deans were in their cabin. They had just put Bertram to bed, and at that time, Melvina's mother was feeding her. Melvina's father heard the crunch when the ship hit the iceberg and went to investigate. He saw the lifeboats being lowered. Melvina was so small that he put her into a sack. Suddenly, he noticed that Bertram was missing. He searched frantically, but he spotted Bertram in another lifeboat. Suddenly, Melvina's father heard a sound of crunch when the ship hit the iceberg. He went outside for investigation. He quickly returned, and they all went up on the upper floor of a ship. He saw the lifeboats being lowered. Melvina was so small that he put her into a sack. He got his wife onto lifeboat and then lowered the precious sack onto the boat. Suddenly he noticed that his son Bertram was missing. He searched him nervously and spotted him in another lifeboat. After a few days, his wife found her son. Melvina's dad was brave and unselfish. He stayed on the sinking ship to help others. 706 people were saved and 1,523 drowned. Melvina's dad was very brave and not selfish. That's why he stayed on the sinking ship to help others. There were 2,229 people on the boat, but 706 people were saved and 1,523 drowned. Little Milvina's dad was one of the unlucky ones. Milvina enjoyed a long, healthy life but always missed her dad. The Titanic wreckage was discovered in 1985. Milvina's father was one of the unlucky ones and he died when it sank. Milvina enjoyed a long and healthy life and she died at the age of 97, but she always missed her father. In 1985, the wreckage of the Titanic was finally discovered. Milvina became famous again and people wanted to meet and see her. Thank you.